Hi guys, Daryl here doing another Riddler 99 box break. Getting a little late start on these today, but that's just because I was busy last night, so I was up pretty late and didn't get a chance to do them. Anyways, box of 2011-2012 Panini Dominion that ended last night on eBay, that's January 26th, between 8:30 and 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This one was Winnipeg Jets, so the last team that ended at 8:59 and 55 seconds there Eastern Standard Time. Current time is Sunday, January 27th at 10:17 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is box 3 of 6 from a sealed case, and the serial number is NE189816128. I'm going to show it to you right now on webcam. If you go 1080p on YouTube, full screen it. Oh, it actually came in nice and clear. There we go. NE189816128. This is, of course, a sealed tin of Dominion. Everything's sealed. It would never be any other way. So let's get going. I want to thank everybody for participating in the break, as well as wish everybody good luck here. Hope we can get a nice hit. Does not want to open. Decoy on top, should be decoy on the bottom, yep. And I think there's a booklet in here. Yep, it would be a Crazy Eights booklet, it looks like. Alright, you guys, good luck. First card is a base card for the Boston Bruins of David Krejci out of 199. Second card is a private signings. Eric Johnson, Colorado Avalanche. There you go. Next card is auto rookie patch out of 199. Cameron Goetz. Let me get that to focus. Colorado Avalanche. Next, we have a gold rookie, number to jersey number to 49, of Ryan Ellis, Nashville Predators, number 8 out of 49. Yeah, 1, 2, 3 color patch. We have a mammoth out of 50 for the Vancouver Canucks, Jan Sauve. I'm going to put the booklet down for a second. We have a base jersey parallel of Joe Pavelski out of 100. And we have, oh, more cards. We have a base card of Jaromir Jagr out of 199 for the Flyers. And another base card of Jason Spezza for the Ottawa Senators out of 199. Let's go to this booklet. It looks pretty nasty. It's out of 5. It is going to be one of those ones that has to be randomized. Oh, it looks very nice. Crazy Eights. Card number 19. Number 1 of 5. Jonathan Toews, Jason Spezza, Joe Thornton, Shane Doan, Brendan Shanahan, Joe Sakic, Steve Yzerman, and Brian Trottier. So that's the booklet. I'm going to show you the back and the front here. There's the front. Number 1 of 5. On the back, these are the teams. I don't think there's any multiples. No. These are the teams that will be randomized. I will put them in alphabetical order, hit random 5 times, and team on top wins. So, if you want to follow me over to random.org, I'm going to put this so I can see it. I was going to enter them all first and then go from there. Okay, let me just sort these out into order here. One of those days. Oh. Okay, Chicago, Colorado, Detroit, Ottawa, Phoenix, Pittsburgh, San Jose, St. Louis. Alrighty, guys, looks good to me. I'm gonna hit randomize 5 times. Team on top wins the card. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this next one will be the winner. Detroit Red Wings win the cards with their Steve Yzerman entry here. So this card, it's a Crazy 8 booklet. With the nasty patches, which won't come into focus, goes to the Detroit Red Wings. I want to thank everybody for participating in the auction and the break. Not too bad, 9 hits out of a box of Dominion, including that crazy booklet. And yeah, I should have another box going tonight. All right, guys, have a great, it looks like a hot case, by the way. There's been really good stuff in this so far, the first 3 boxes. Have a great day or night. Day, I guess.